This car would follow me. It used to follow me. Mara ke se aware. So they went to the security guards and then Baba showed how no, we want that pregnant albino lady. It only for 20,000 if you told line. And at that time, it was the time in Tanzania, vele itumita by albino zemori. Hey, you can sell my ear for 2 million. You can sell my hands for 2 million.
In terms of timeline, how long did this pursuit of theirs?
I think they followed me for like 2 months. Hotla and a South African lady. Kena the first person to approach these guys. So the guys, they talked about it. Barachman, let's see if they'll come back. I find it so difficult to introduce. I don't know why, but
okay.
Oh well, Keselwani Lali Madia.
Okay.
Ke dula mo Katlehong, and originally ke tswa Senegal. That's where ke kinile skolo ko teng. Ka holela teng. I came this side after completing my matric, which was in 2008.
Sure.
Yes.
So you grew up in Senegal?
Yes, Matwabeng.
Haibo.
Ke hae mo.
Senegal, are you talking about the Senegal in Africa?
No,
or there's another
Free State.
Oh, Free State.
N5.
I literally thought you went over out of border. Haibo, go back to... I'm kidding.
No.
Don't shoot me. Okay, so disclaimer, there is a Senegal ko Free State.
Yes,
that's
ya K.
Okay.
I get it's G.
Oh, yes.
Yarona, it's Senegal.
Oh, Senegal.
Yes.
Okay,
with
nice.
Yes.
So what prompts you now to go that side? Or go no hulela kuting no dula lemang? How was the space that you were in there?
Hey. What's about bophelo mama haeng akere? And especially when you are a person living with a disability. Remember, albinism
Okay.
We're only coming out now when the social media people get to know us, like you are one. So, mihleng khale who knows easy man, but ki huletse from a family feeling lerato le leng lenkentseng ke be the person that I am today. Hence, it's so easy for me to be camera di camera and take content. Because of the confidence that I have, from my step grandmother,
Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Tell me about your experience. I mean, you are who you are, right?
Mm-hmm.
You are generally from home. Obviously, I assume that there is no one who treats you differently because and so on and so on. At what point in your life do you realize, Rayman, there's something that's very different about me here?
What's about batho ba strateng akere? Batho ba strateng ke bona ba dulang ba o feelisa hore you are different. Because I would go kilo papala le bana ba bang ko strateng and then they will call me names. Hey, ha shebele ko letsatsing ha bone. Hey, ke le swefe eng wa bona. So, hantse ke tla ke hola. Ke bone hore ke different ka the judgments and how other kids would look at me. The judgment that I got from the society, not from the people. I got enough love that I needed from my neighbors, the surroundings, really sharp, I'm not gonna lie. But there will always be those people like who would judge you, who would call you names, who would make you feel like when you are not a person enough for ufite or obapalele bone as ngwana.
Okay.
We understand.
Yes.
But the love ene ke na le lona ko ntlong ha la ndumella hore ke ba dumelle hore they can just walk all over me because I'm different. I would go home killa. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm living with albinism. Then Nkhono asked me one question, of which even today it's still stuck in my head. Hore, when you come home, Ola, because somebody said something to you, does it change who you are? Kare no. Okay, bao soma bao waka. Look yourself in the mirror. Ntotse ba di buang di a o change. O tlo ba motho, o tlo tshwana le bona. So that thing gave me the confidence e ke nang le yona today ya hore I'm beautiful, I'm unique, and my uniqueness ke yona e nketsang the person that I am. Yeah, it shouldn't define me.
Yes.
I'm a person. I love myself, and if I don't love myself, if I don't allow myself to be a person, to be around people, batho ba tlo nka jwang?
Yeah.
Okay, honestly speaking, there are moments that are so heartbreaking. They touch me. They sometimes didn't get a very low self-esteem, but this is not me.
Disclaimer from my side. I haven't dug deep into the albinism aspect. And I guess there's a lot of people out there that look at you and say, well, she's got a beautiful skin tone. She's you get me?
Yes.
We're not aware of the dynamics of albinism. I want to treat this opportunity as maybe before we jump into your story, because by now I would have asked you, why are you here? But I want us to just bring it home in terms of saying, what is albinism and what are the side effects of such? So that everyone out there, when they meet someone who's, faced with albinism, they understand completely what are the dynamics of what this person is dealing. To me, ever since I met you today, you do not strike me as a person who's struggling with anything. You've got such a vibrant personality. You are so well-groomed, so beautiful. There's nothing to me that says
this person is different.
Yes.
Yeah.
So educate me and the viewers and tell us, what exactly is albinism?
Okay, ke tlo define in simpler terms so that batho ba kgone to understand ne. Wa bona akere wena o dark skinned compared to me. Now I'm light. I lack melanin.
Okay.
So people with albinism, they lack melanin. That's why I need to apply sunscreen, because skin is like has batle letsatsi. I need to make sure that I apply sunscreen. Ha ke ka dula ko letsatsing ke sa apply sunscreen ke a tjha. Hence ke bana le di dark spots. Ba bona ke have dark spots ko mo sfatleng ke mo ke tshitsweng ke letsatsi.
Okay.
So I need to make sure that ke dula ke kentse ka tiba, ke tsamaya ko shading, gore ke ska senya skin sa ka, gore ke ska bana le di skin cancers, because how ka tjha haholo tlo bana le skin cancer as a person with albinism. And then another thing ke taba ya eyesight.
Okay.
Generally a low vision. Okay. It was difficult in the olden days for a person with albinism to get a driver's license because re bonela haufinyana.
Okay.
That's why ke kentse di class. But I did the cataract surgery where they removed my natural lens, ba kenya lens ya fake enketsang go ke bonele hole.
Oh, okay.
So now it's easier for me go ke bonele hole. Pele it was so different. The way ko bonang ka teng, no, I could see you, like it's not like I'm blind, but ki bonela closer. Even when I'm reading, tlamele ntho ke bele so that ke kgone go bona hantle. That's another thing, albinism. And then le meriri ya rona, it's lighter because we don't have melanin.
Okay.
Yes.
So lighter basically because it's blonde.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Does your hair grow more than mine?
It's the only difference between me and you ke hore nna ke na le melanin e nyane. Yes, that's all. Everything is normal. The hair, the nails, like it's the same.
Okay.
Ha ona ntho e different.
Okay.
It's just those little things tse loreng tlamele nna ke protect.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I get you. Thank you so much for sharing. We are synchronized now with you.
Yes.
And I guess the sync will be even more as we watch the episode so that we know exactly how to behave or how to handle ourselves, because there is a stigma that you and I are dealing with. People have stigmatized you. We are also stigmatized by your presence. So I remember the first time I was around visually impaired people, I was like I whispered to the person who brought me there to say, can I say they are blind? Is it a good thing to? So now I'm like so uncomfortable. I don't know. I don't want to offend them. I don't want to offend them and whatever. And every 2 minutes, man khalima. Like, don't talk about me, talk to me.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, because you're talking as if I
yes.
So when you talk, don't talk to the
Bua le
other
nna.
person about me. I'm just here. So there's that sensitivity that's there. And then now I'm not conscientized. So I've learned to see with people that have disabilities, it just means that there's just one or two things that they can't do that I would be able to do.
Yes.
But then in that, there's a lot of stigmas that come around them. They're sensitive to certain things that I would naturally do. It's natural to say, I'm motho. So if ke batla director, hey, sisters, kopa mo jwetse hore a chiftenyana, it was very offensive. Why don't you tell me to do? Why are you telling her to tell? So it became that thing. But ever since I was sensitized to that, I was like, okay, I'm even more. So I engage
Now
them
you're aware,
confidently.
yes.
Yeah. So you've taken your time to come through and to sit here with us and the family. What motivates you to come through today and sit with me?
I've done the podcast tse ding, and I think batho ba jaja ne, and batho ha ba rate ho receive a message the way e leng ka teng. They want to make it the way bona ba e bonang ka teng. Wa e bona? I've been through a lot in my life. Ne? There are so many things that has happened. Some I'm not even comfortable of talking about. Some I'm not proud of. Some they are just there. But I believe in telling people my story so that maybe there's someone out there who might be going through the same thing as me, but ha ba kgone ho bua ka yona.
Okay.
We go through a lot of things. We come from different walks of life, and it's not easy for a person to come and share their life le batho ba bang. And ditori tse ngata, it's about hore mang o nkentse eng. How about just one day you talk about yourself?
Yeah. Without the contrast of other people.
Yes, without saying mang did this, mang wentse eng. Just teach people about yourself. I'm a content creator. I'm out there. I'm outspoken. Like, I'm well known. But some people don't know the real me. Hence, others judge.
Okay.
Hence, there's this judgment. Social media, whatever, it can either make you and break you. But people always focus on what? Negativity.
Yes.
For what it is. So I love telling people my story. I love motivating people. I love teaching people no matter where you are, who you are, and where you come from. Yes.
I feel like there's massive depth to your story. And now, like, I'm looking forward to hearing this story to say, how is it structured? What actually happened in this story that you're telling us about?
Hey, I would, as a person living with albinism, na dintho tse ngata tse sa tsamayeng right.
Okay.
The main thing now in my life, it's my safety. Because I'm out there on social media, and my condition, there are people who look at me ka hore you can actually use Lali for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was almost kidnapped because I'm a person living with albinism. I care what about mindset. If I date a person with albinism, let me not say date. If I sleep with a person with albinism, ke tlo thola di-lucky.
Okay.
If ke a kula, I sleep with a person with albinism without protection, ke tlo fola. Those are dintho tse re phelang le tsona.
Sure.
It makes my life difficult and complicated because there are certain places where I feel free or ke go tsona.
Okay.
You understand? I always have to be around people for me to go out and enjoy my drinks there and there. I'm with a friend. It's not easy for me to say I want to do a solo date because I can see now who's looking at me. Now people know me. I'm out there. Even before I was out on social media, people try to kidnap me because of the mindset they are. She's living with albinism. We can take her to Nigeria and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because those people were Nigerians.
Sure.
Yeah,
how did that happen?
I was working at some company in Randburg. So this car, I was pregnant, got my second born by then. This car would follow me It used to follow me. Mara ke se aware, but I would see the car. Maybe I would see it once in a week. I think they followed me for like 2 months. But Monique sebetsa ko teng, it was like an office park. So it wasn't easy for them to tell which company. So they went to the security guards and then Baba Jotza, no, we want that pregnant albino lady. Re tlo lefa 20,000 if le thola yena. Hotla a South African lady. Ke ena the first person to approach these guys. So the guys, they talked about it, Barachman. Let's see if they'll come back. Sharp. After some time, the lady comes back again. No, we still want that lady. We're willing to give you 20,000, like I said.
Sure.
Then, these people have an tabalon. And then every morning, every morning I'm still coming to work. Banse bampona ke magabagono banal access kon. They habagono bakan bantshwara the way bona ba batlang ka teng. So the Nigerian guy, I approach the guy is here. Oh no, I want this lady. I can give you money.
Sure.
So these guys this thing is serious now. And because Bamo building you every day. That's when they went to call the owner of the company. We have an issue so there are people who are approaching us, babatla a specific person. Albinism.
Sure. Hectic. So I want to understand the dynamics of why they couldn't get you before you got into work. Are you driving?
No. It's public transport.
Okay.
Kitewa mo stop sign. I walk 1 minute. Kikena ko office park.
All right.
So it's not easy for them to bantole. After work, ki ema mo bus stop, basi enga mo.
Okay.
Wabon aki zulu hore baka khona hore ba re she's going to the mall. So I was lucky hore those guys babile le botho ba hore ba lo reporta ntho ile ko company. Wabon haba checka they had the registration of the car in a fake registration. So it said our South African women, they are helping these foreign nationals to do whatever eba batlang. And at that time it was the time in Santane vele itumita baya albinism. Hey, you can sell my ear for 2 million, you can sell my hands for 2 million. So people mindset of failure.
It's messed up because people are talking about selling their own kidneys to make money. So what more about you? So in terms of timeline, how long did this pursuit of theirs?
It happened for like 2 months. I wasn't aware.
So you were just casually going about your life?
I'm just living my life like it's an everyday thing for me. I'm going to work, I'm going back home. It's my daily routine. I didn't see anything, but I would see the car because it was a black Range Rover.
Range?
Yes.
One of the most dignified brands in J.
They have money.
Sharks.
And the South Africa. Sadly. A woman.
My fear is security was a bit slow. Because 2 months is more than enough time
to do whatever
for
they
them
want.
to do whatever they want. Because they could have tailed your taxi, your bus, and followed it to sort of backtrack where you come from. So, okay. Now the message gets to the business owner. What then happens?
In fact, it was sometimes they were concerned. They did everything in their powers to get that car, but I think maybe they knew because these guys they are going to report them. Because from that day, the owner of that business made sure the police were informed. It was a case, but we never found those people. They were so good, those people, because they even said to me, you know what, for Obesafe, cut your working hours.
Okay.
They did it out of favor. It's not like I'm saying they should, or now they should do that. But out of Botu, knowing the person of my nature, bapila under which circumstances, They said to me, no, it's fine. You can start working at 9 and then 3:30, just for you to be safe. Because the next morning, Lali is missing.
Sure.
Which I'm still thankful for that.
Sure.
Yes.
How do they break the news to you?
I remember Kikena, co-reception, the reception lady, and then she came and she gave me a hug, and then she started crying, like, what's going on? Is everything okay? And like, no, can you please go to the bedroom? We want to talk to you. What have I done? Okay, now I'm panicking. What's going on? And then like Fitamole, they're all sitting. My manager, my supervisor, they're sitting there. Oh, Laliki. My manager would call me Laliki. She's like, oh, Laliki, I'm so sorry. Like, what's going on? Then she's like, no, we got a story. This is what's been going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Babitama security, they have already informed the police. No, we have already informed the police, the security. The 2 security guys are here to tell. We want you guys to understand. We want you to understand what they are saying. And then the guys came. They explained that the police were there. But okay, the guys barifile registration. I think within 2 hours they phoned back or no registration fake. It does not appear go system.
Sure.
Why one?
It's not that it's allocated to a different car. It doesn't even exist.
Yeah, it does not exist at all.
Next level. Sure.
People are smart because they knew the registration. What about
And what's your response when they tell you this?
Hey, I was so emotional. Like, it still touches me today because wherever I go, I think that someone is looking at me. Babon. So, hey, yeah, no, it's
sure.
Yeah.
Hectic.
It's sad because even on my comments, more social media, I would get people who would say, my millions. You know, you can make money when you know your ears are expensive. I remember there was a post I did. There was a taxi strike. I don't have a car. I wish Yo, people go Twitter. Hi, Wena, why not sell your ears? You could be driving an expensive car. Yeah.
Hey, man. People are so insensitive.
Yeah, that's how social media is. And it's up to you. How do you take it?
So that incident, was it the first and the last to have happened to you of that nature?
It was actually the first. Because even on social media, I still get the threats in a way. When I walk, I still get people babuang into the anxiety in the streets of Joburg, in the streets of Pretoria. I work in Pretoria. So, like, it's always there and it will always be there, unfortunately.
Sure.
My one.
But just the thing about you is you don't vibrate that experience. You are completely disconnected in your personality, in your persona, in your aura. You don't give that energy, and it's really something, to admire, because a lot of people live within the circumstances of their reality and forget that the actual life that you want to live is one that you create. So thumbs up to you for carrying yourself in that way and maintaining such a positive energy. There are people that are not where you are. They're not dealing with what you're dealing with, but they are very negative. So I think thumbs up for that. What then would happen after, as a reminder of your albinism? What then would happen? What other milestone of self-experience would you say you've gone through after that?
Hey, how do I explain this one? Like I say, like we go through different stages in life. I'm a single mom. I have 3 kids, 3 different baby daddies. People still judge,
Sure.
because they don't know where I come from. Albinism, not albinism as such, like being different. It's very complicated because now people come into your life for different reasons. The intentions are not the same. Sometimes you don't know, this guy is approaching me because they want something good out of me, or they're only approaching me because they want a taste of me.
Okay.
I'm beautiful. I have a nice body. I'm attractive to some people. So it makes it difficult for me to have a relationship.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you get me.
I'm hearing you.
It becomes so different because a guy would be coming to me, ale sharp, and then now I'm not there because of the experiences that I have with other guys. So it's something that really breaks my heart. It's something that I wish I can do something about it, but I can't.
I want to dive a level deeper. So Renee, you forgive me, but you
no worries.
apply
Feel
your
free.
discretion, so that we can actually understand what you're saying. So a guy comes to you, and he declares himself to you. He says that he likes you, or ubea makanyana, and then what happens? Because Loena, you're there, you're feeling the person, you're like, Ravaiba, let's try this. Where does it go wrong usually?
I think, I don't know with other people, but with my previous relationship, I think that's kinto eki concluding from my previous relationship. I think a guy gets overwhelmed. Lali umutle, Lali is likeable, Lali she's out there. Lali ke motho wa batho. I would love to be part ya bophelo ba Lali. So you come into my life kanto ya hore I want to be with this person because of what you see kantle.
Okay.
Because what you see, how mpona ke tsamaya strating and the person that I am are two different things. Right? So o tlotla ka ho nna kanto ya hore she's the person at that moment. When you get to see the real me, or I'm still like the ordinary girl that you have dated before. There's nothing fascinating.
Yeah.
You get to feel like, man, the excitement little albino. It's no longer there because now you are used to me. You do no longer even see me as an albino.
Okay. I get you.
Yeah. I love this box because I don't know what's inside. How bula ka mohare? You see, that's why I must do this
Exactly.
thing. Exactly. It's the same thing. There's nothing different. The only difference is Lali kill albino and the people love her. Now people love me. I'm not gonna lie.
So when they pull back the layers, they discover a practical human being.
Hey,
and they're disappointed.
Hey.
I get you.
Hey.
Sure.
Based on my previous relationship.
What then becomes the justification of the departure? Like when the guy leaves, what sort of behaviors do you get from these guys?
Hey.
They literally tell you,
scam, man. People lie for different reasons. Sometimes you find out moto utla ghoster.
Okay.
When I get different situations, different people, different scenarios. So a guy would just
what's all in?
Omong au cheatele. Omong una cheata ka wena.
Sure.
Right? So how did like I cannot specifically say baetsa so cause motho o tla ka ntho different. And then they live differently.
Yeah.
Right?
Now, when they pull back the layers, what do they find? We're not personal. Can you completely attribute it to them? Or there are things about your personality that you feel compromise you in relationships, aside from the albinism?
Yes.
Now we're saying, okay, we understand Lali now. We see her for who she is. We don't like her. You get me?
The main thing, it's not working for me, it's social media.
Okay.
Because hey, I would hang up on my phone. If you are my boyfriend, phone yak, no. And how low self-esteem, because remember, when I'm sitting here, there's someone better. O wena o tlo mmonang a le better than me. Wa understand? So if o jola le nna, and then when there's a guy, e wena o mmonang hore o betere ho feta wena, o tlo nahana hore nna I'll go for that guy. You get my point? I don't know if ke be ka tsela e we understandang ka yona.
I get you.
Right? So social media inketsa enkareng maybe I'm running around.
Okay.
Right? Etsa enkareng maybe tomorrow I'm this guy, I'm with this guy, and then the next day I'm with another one.
Yeah. In what scenario? Maybe paint us a scenario.
Because everyone wants a piece of me. Remember, I'm a dancer. I'm dancing on social media.
Okay.
I have a nice body. So all of them, they're coming for one thing, for my body. So when I jola le nna, and happy besides hore ke dancer and they want whatever by batlang, I do promos for artists.
Okay.
You understand? So a guy o tlo sheba hore yo lali o bua le di artists tse mo. What if lali o tlo nsiya and see like these big people?
Okay.
So sometimes I feel like rona as batho ha re tshepe. You understand? Because you cannot think hore motho wa hao would leave you for someone else unless wena na le ntho gongwe o etsang.
Okay.
I know people do things ka tsela tsa bona and then they do things because obviously motho le motho ba tla ikgotsofatsa in a way. You understand? But nna, I think my previous relationship failed because of social media.
Okay.
Right?
And so you're saying social media unearthed certain insecurities that your partner had.
Exactly.
And amplified them. And then because of the fact that he could not bring himself to reconcile what's happening, he just concluded that busy.
Busy ene na ake batle motho a out there.
Okay.
Right?
The fame is a thing in its own. Exactly. Besides you,
exactly,
the fame is another thing. Ask me, I know. Right? When I'm not saying I'm the most famous person, but there's levels to that, right? So even my partner struggled a little bit with regards to understanding the dynamics of what is happening there.
Why, bon?
So, but it's also a big part of it is also how we manage ourselves within that traffic, which then gives the other. I'm not saying you didn't do right, but I'm just saying how we handle ourselves when that is happening speaks a lot to what we prioritize in our lives. So now I hear you, because there's layers. We would just think it's the albinism. Kanti below the albinism,
Hey.
No. Hey. And you know the other thing that I'm noticing, sorry to give this perspective of mine, there's a lot of beautiful ladies on social media that are single. They are single. Or what? And you look at them posing, hey, get half wena. That's the only, it does make sense. Why? A beautiful lady, well-groomed, independent, single.
Now, from my point of view, I think people are damaged. People are damaged because the person that I was 10 years ago and the person that I am today can just say different based on the experiences that I had throughout those years. So, motho ene ke jola le yena 10 years ago, le ke jolang le yena today, ha ba tlo mpona ka o tshwana. Wa ibona? Ole maybe akampona ke ne ke le psycho, ole ampona se ke le matured.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
There are women actually atlobang psychotic in the early ages, maybe the 20s, and then as I feel like my late 30s or saitola abe sharp. Babang uhola ale sharp. Abe sharp, akopane le motho a metsa be psycho. Because now I always say this name. For every reaction, action
yes,
I cannot just be psychotic on you. Unless I have mental issues.
Unless you've been through a few things that have affected you to that extent.
Lena, I've been psycho.
Okay.
Bona, Lena nkile ka hlanyetsa motho. Ka shota di festere.
What? I would not picture you doing that.
Honey. Yo, that's why Kere, Harebe psycho fela.
Yeah.
That guy did something to me for me to
Okay.
do that.
Yeah, and people are only seeing this side of you
Yes,
now.
people only saw what I did, but people who knew why I did that, they were like, Lali, we don't blame you.
Okay.
To some people, banse ba mpona ke le jo la lokile tshwatla di
What's he gonna
festere.
sister?
Eh?
Sister.
Banse ba mpona ke le yo
Yeah.
wena la luhlanya mpona tshwatla di festere tsa guy wa tshisa diphahlo tsa hae. Yes, I did that.
Sure.
And I have my own reasons. And Elena, he knows why I did that.
Oh, no, psycho mo ke buang ka bona.
Oh, Elena ke psycho in a way.
Be se ke bona video ya hao mo le o etsa ntho tsena. And then me, you know how the algorithm works.
Hi.
After I date, I see you doing that. I'm not gonna stay. So now the thing is, when a guy meets you in that state, because now that becomes part of your profile, right? It becomes part of your persona. It's a record that sits in what you have done.
Yes.
I need to be content enough to accept lehlanya lelaka. And there's a couple ba kikenang le bona kereke. The mom always says, ihlanya la mi le nyalazi. That is such a profound thing because at a certain level, as much as I'm accusing these ladies online who look amazing and single, I'm also saying, guthi nawe uzothola ihlanya lakho, nihlanye nonke.
Yes.
And just enjoy your lives together.
Enjoy
because-
bohlanya ba rona re hlanyetsane re le two.
Yes, mara le ska chesa diphahlo.
Mara bohlanya le bona ne ha ba tlameha ho fihla leveleng ya abuse.
Yeah,
Wa tseba bona le basadi ba abusive.
true.
Yo basadi ba abuse banna guys. So bohlanya tlamehile bo bene le level ya teng. Ne?
Yeah.
Ha bo ske ba beyond. Let's not abuse each other and disrespect each other as partners.
True. And hide it under the banner of ore I want eva.
No. O ka se re wa ntseba go dula ke tshwata di festere every weekend. O tlo go se ke sele mos. It's a habit now. Ya gore nna every now and then tlamehile ko shape. No. I sa le bohlanya bo. It's something that we really need to look into.
That's
It's
true.
deep. It's
That's
dangerous
true.
now.
That's true.
No.
It's acceptable when I can get through to you. There are people you can get through to. And I've known people or friends who were dating. They eventually became friends of mine because I'm friends with the guy. The other one was literally off the hooks. The family had serious problem with that person because every time they lost their temper, you do not want to be around that person. They lose it. But when the boyfriend came, he became the calm waters to that person
Oh no.
in such a way that even when the family was having issues with that
They
person,
know,
they know
right,
because
is a good
that
thing,
person can get through to them. But also, I would also be tired. Can you not get through to me one day? Maybe there's a balance there that we don't see. But that's what I'm saying. Ore. It needs to be regulated, and it needs to exist in a place that is healthy. Open up sometimes, which is a challenge with most of us because why? Because I'm afraid of judgment. We don't see. So I think it's very bold of you to come out and say, "Uri,
I did this. It was like whatever, there will always be that one person who ish man a ke tsebe gore o ntsha bo satane ka hara hao or o ntsha eng, but in your life there will always be that one person o tlo etsang go hlaya.
Yeah.
I think in fact, it was love, man. I loved him so much. Like, it was love. I loved him. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It was love. And he was doing a lot of things, this thing right, man. But and it got to a point where man. This person gets a wrong house so, Babo. And then this person wants to leave me. Okay, you're leaving, it's fine. You can leave. Now you are leaving, but you want to come back.
Okay.
Wabon?
Ish.
So wabona ile jalo etsang it iba more dangerous. Hence now I always tell people close to me hore if the relationship is not working, walk away. If lenyalo ha le sebetse, ska tlo dula le lali o tlo a ke dutse le lali a ksa morata or lali una le 1 2 3 4 5 x a rateng ka yena but se ke dutse le yena because ke mme wa bana ba ka. I'm not promoting divorce ne but bana ba bangata ba holela di family tse seng right o understand ka ntho ya hore ke mme wa bana ba ka ke ntate wa bana ba ka and then whatever that's happening between us as parents, it's affecting kids more than rona. So bana ba hola ba le jwang ba le unhappy. Hence you see a lot of men ba le abusive. O tlo jwetsa hore because ke bone mme wa ka ntate wa ka abuse mme wa ka and then mme wa ka na mamelletse ntho eo. Wa bona ba bang o tlo jwetsa hore a ke batlo shapa mosadi because my mom was being abused. So bona ya differ.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if a relationship is not working, walk away. Sansa nna le chance. Ba bang ba tswa ba se ba hlokafetse so se mnate because re rata o foster lerato. And I believe if motho o bontshitse go ha iwan o re ha o rate, stick to that. When people show you who they are or how they feel about you, believe that because it won't change.
Sure.
Right bon a ke re nna ke foster lerato ke nna go tlo ba sharp.
Hey,
nothing changed, but it got worse.
It got worse, and it turned you into something.
Hey, now I became the person that I'm not because I'm trying to please this person, and I'm losing myself again. Because why would I wake up and decide to break the first day?
Sure.
No, obsession.
No, that's true. Thank you so much for sharing that. It's a very enlightening discussion that we're having. But I want to move over to the social media part. A lot of people that are where you are with the albinism are very reserved. I think if we do the stats and we check how many of you are on social media, eventually some of you are coming online. But there's a lot of people that have been through the social stigma such that they have been broken down to a level where they don't want to engage. How do you find the courage where now to jump so confidently on social media and be so vibrant?
Now I have my own way of dealing with negativity. Like I've told myself already, I cannot change you. I cannot change what you think of me. I cannot change what you see in me. But I can only choose how do I take it.
True.
You understand? So, like I don't know. I'm built in a very different way. I'm very emotional. I'm very, very, very emotional. But when it comes to me and believing in myself, I don't let anyone decide otherwise or make me feel in a different way. There can be a negative comment. A person can post something, honey. I don't like. I cannot say a mechanism. This is how I deal with it. It's naturally in me.
Okay.
I don't allow them shame.
Yeah.
I don't. Never. No ways.
When did you start? Do you remember?
Yeah. I remember. COVID. You remember COVID? Then I discovered TikTok. And then I think I posted 2 videos. Then I posted 1 video dancing. In 1 week, that video had 2 million views.
Sure.
I was like, Lali, go for this.
Okay.
Then I started doing it. I've been on Facebook like for some time, but next I would post like anyone else. But the love that I'm getting on TikTok, I was like, oh man, let me take it to Instagram. And then the numbers are growing. And ever since then, I've been doing it out of love. I love what I'm doing, even though I get criticism there. But it's not easy. Cyberbullying is not easy. And especially now that I'm making money out of it. I make money out of social media.
That's powerful. It's opened more opportunities for you now. And I think that's a discussion that many people want to dive into to say, what are the avenues or, the streams that someone can doing what you are doing? Because a lot of people will say, TikTok, I patali. It's just a traffic engine. How are you monetizing TikTok?
TikTok, you monetize by going live. When you go live, people gift you.
Okay.
So those gifts, they turn into money. It's different with Facebook. Facebook, you get paid by views. The more you post, the more views you get, the more dollars you're collecting.
Yeah.
With Instagram, I get paid by subscriptions. By subscriber to my page, and then I earn from that.
Okay. Powerful.
Yes.
So in terms of your monetization, what can I say? What would you say is a platform that earns you the most amongst all these?
Facebook, Neliona epatalang, because I would make 40.
Okay. 40,
35, 20 on Facebook.
Okay.
Until they report my account. People are jealous again. So they reported my account. It's been 3 months now. I'm not earning.
Is that like 40,000?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, I would make 40,000 on Facebook every
Just
month.
dancing on Facebook?
Yes.
Wicked.
Yes. But now it's been 3 months. I haven't been earning because they reported my account, my page.
Maybe someone else can help us recover it.
I've been trying, yes. I'm not gonna lie, I've been trying. I even gave up on it. I was like, man, let me just let it be. Maybe one day they will just uplift it. But yeah, no, that's what it is.
So now you are away on TikTok now.
Honestly speaking, I wonder if I was giving social media more time, I could be making more money.
Okay.
I don't have time for it. Because of Msebet. I spend a lot of time traveling. I work far.
Okay.
From Katlehong to Pretoria every day, 2 hours in the morning to go, 2 hours to come back. So I'm always tired, man. I don't have time for social media.
Okay.
Of which, honestly speaking, if I was giving it more time, I could be making maybe 100K every month. Because remember, you're eating from Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Powerful.
Making more.
Sure.
A lot of influencers are chowing more big moolah.
Imagine. Thank you for
Social media
sharing.
is money.
Someone sitting here is probably, they've got Facebook on their app, and they've got also, they can dance as well.
Whatever you do, it's not even about dancing. If maybe when you are good with cooking, you can cook. Post your videos there.
I know someone who does news articles that also makes crazy amount of money. It's just a picture with news.
They were
showing me the monetization there in terms of how that's. I was like, wow, that is crazy.
You just find your passion and then put it out there. Let it work for you.
Powerful. You're such an open book. Thank you so much for sharing, and hopefully you'll educate other people in terms of how this can work, because I suspect and assume that people would pay for this kind of information because they are really looking to transform their lives. So anyone who can find her, we'll talk about her social media handles so that you can reach out to her. But give her money, send money.
Send money. We want money.
Yeah. So maybe before I bring this to a close, maybe you wanted to share something with the viewers, and I'm closing this too soon. This is your opportunity now to share, and tell people and break down the stigmas. Because I remember you did say when you came back to say, when we started to say, people misinterpret, have their own ideas. I'm not sure if that's how you exactly put it. But yeah, this is your opportunity now to speak to the multitudes who are watching you, that know you from your social media. Other people are meeting you for the first time. What would you like to say to them concerning what you have experienced in your corner?
Okay, Kilali, Kimoto. I've made mistakes. I'm still making mistakes now. I can we learn as we grow, as we go. And no one is perfect. I don't want to be judged for I'm an albino. I don't want to be judged because I'm a dancer. I don't want to be judged because I'm a single mom of 3 kids. It was my choice. We all have our choices. It's unfortunate, Dori. Sometimes we make decisions hoping that we might have a certain outcome, but ntate Modimo ha o fihletse moo, of which he has his own reasons. You may not know them today, but and as nako e ntse wa bona why ntate Modimo a mpeile monana. Wa bona, like as much as kaofela re se perfect, let's not judge people based on what we think of them. Let's not judge people based on what we see on social media. Phela what I post on social media, it's what I want you to see.
Yes.
There could be more that I don't want you to know. But if I come like on platforms like this, I talk about myself, it's because I want to be open to let people know me for who I am, not for what they think of me or what they know of me or the person that I was before.
True.
We grow, we change, we learn, we move on. It's life, unfortunately. There are certain things that I cannot change about my life, about myself, or that I've did before that I can take back. No. Life goes on. It's what it is.
Thank you so much for sharing and opening up the other side of yourself. Because when you're dancing, we don't get to talk to you and engage you. So, but we appreciate the fact that you're willing to come through and open up and share, even considering the risks that you know might exist out there. It's a courageous thing to do, and we give you a massive thumbs up for that. Thank you so much. Where can we find you online? There are some of us that have not met you. We want to get to know you. Where can we find you?
Okay, I have 2 Facebook pages. The other one is Lali M, which is well known, and then the other one ke Lali Silwane Madia, and on Instagram it's also Lali Silwane Madia. On TikTok it's Lali Madia. Yes.
Powerful. If we get to you there and we DM you, is there not so much traffic that we might not be able to get through to you?
Yo, Facebook, Instagram. Yo, TikTok, like it's just a lot. I have a lot of messages. Hence, I prefer, if someone wants to talk to me, can't serious, send me an email.
Okay.
madiasilwane@gmail.com, because the DMs, honestly speaking, I don't give them my attention, because kidi perverts feel like I'm who busy shem go busy shem. Hi.
I think jumping on social media, it was the first time through this show where I found social media to be giving me a 99 plus. We can't notify you anymore. Just know that you have above 100 notifications.
I so notified.
Yeah. So imagine how, exhausting that may be. It's tiring.
It's a lot.
Yeah, guys, if you want to get through to her quickly, she just told you, send her an email. But even in that email, be intentional. Straight to the point. And she doesn't have a lot of time, as you have heard. She's got a lot of information that she can share with you with regards to how to grow online and so on and so on. So maybe we can jump into that on the other episode so that you can show us the tips and tricks, because there's a way around it.
Yes,
it's not just a matter of one video, then you go viral. Sometimes you are lucky to get that one video, but there's a way around it. So she'll come back and share that with us at a later stage, and we'll talk about monetization on social media. But Oslali, thank you so much for coming through. I think we'll have you back here. Depending on these people, if they want to learn how to make the money that you were talking about, if they want to learn how to navigate the challenges, there's a lot of people that are dealing with albinism who also watch the show. Maybe they'll find the courage to come through and share on their end.
Not even albinism. There are people with different disabilities.
Okay.
Who I would love them, but be free to express themselves. If they need help, we will make it a point that we find help for them, because baba ngabana the wheelchair, baba ngabana the spectacles, like there's just a lot. So if we can help people, let's help them.
Powerful.
Yes.
Totally agree with you. I'm in sync with you. Guys, don't forget to join the program. Join the membership program of this channel. We're really just jumping into a new season where we are going to do what Oslali is talking about. And there are hearts out there that are ready to help. We just at least need to start helping you from here. Let's build a community that supports each other. Now we're talking about you making money and learning the skills. So let's take it from there. But Oslali, we really appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming through. We are, accepting you as a member of this family. And, on behalf of the viewers, we, appreciate you greatly. Guys, thank you so much for also being with us on this episode. If you want to, learn more about Oslali, stay tuned. Drop us a comment in the comment section below so that we can also spotlight you later. Also, if you want to sit here with me in the studio, DM us. I do respond to your DMs, even if it's 99 plus. I will respond. So drop us a DM on TikTok, drop us a DM on Facebook, Instagram, drop us a comment in the comment section so that we can attend to you, so that you also can find yourself sitting here with us in, the studio, so that you could share your story with the family. Without wasting time, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are targeting 200K subs now. Right? 200K subs. So please do click the subscribe button. Let's get there. Thank you so much for being with us. We hope to see you next time. From me, my beautiful guest, the team in studio, it's bye for now.